morning everybody, welcome to Currumbin Wildlife Sanctuary Miniature Railway. Our first stop will be on the far side of Currumbin Wildlife Sanctuary. At our first stop you will be able to see Tasmanian devils, echidnas and dingoes. Our second stop will be Koala Junction. The train stops at each station about every 25 minutes. We'd like to take the opportunity to remind travellers that while riding on the train, for your own safety, please keep all hands and feet well inside the carriages at all times. Thank you.
Another train. Over the bridge. Stop, yeah.
No.
Wait.
We need to get off this or stay?
I don't know.
Stay here.
Good morning everybody, we are at Hospital Precinct Station. The Wildlife Hospital is open for viewing at the moment, also in this area, Tasmanian devils, echidnas and dingoes. The train will be here for 1 or 2 minutes and then we head off to Koala Junction. Thank you folks, have a great day.
Oh, I think we go to Koala Junction. What do you think?
Can you see the dingo? They come knocking off here.
We're going to stay